what actually is Tableau. So it's important for you to get your basics clear before actually diving deep into it. So Tableau is nothing but a BI tool or a business intelligence tool. Uh, Amongst the other giants, Tableau is also being used for data analysis purpose. So with Tableau, you can create and distribute interactive and amazing dashboards which depicts the trends, the historical analysis, the variations, and you can always use blend your data and predict for the upcoming months and quarters. So Tableau really stands out from all of its competitors, and it's quite unique for all the academic purposes or or analysis purposes, whatever you want to do for your requirement. And Tableau will do all the required work for you. So you don't really have to wrangle your head around, how much data you don't have to, analyze on the spreadsheets. You don't have to figure out what you have to represent. Tableau has a lot of options, which we will see in the upcoming videos throughout this course. So that's what makes Tableau quite popular, and we will be understanding it in a more detail once you know the architecture of Tableau as well. So on the very left hand side you can see all the data sources which you can connect to, right? So it uses data connectors, and it has lot of optimized data connectors for the different databases, ODBC connectors for any kind of systems. You don't really need a native connector. And it also offer two modes in support of interacting with your data. First, you can do a live connection or an in-memory connection, and client can switch among the live and in-memory connection, so whatever you desire. So this is the second part where you are analyzing. So whatever happens in a live connection, the data connectors of Tableau control the available data infrastructure. So it is through dynamic SQL MDX statement, which comes straight from the source databases. And in the live connection, except importing every data if we have provided in a quick and analytics optimized database such as Vertica, so you can always get the advantages of them. And also, in addition to that, the Tableau can also effectively utilize unlimited amounts of data. So, there are a lot of huge big databases in the world which big giants and conglomerates are connecting to, and it has very optimized data connector which can receive the data and connect to it. And this visualization you can do in this kind of Tableau front end. So you have Tableau readers. Now you can connect to work with more than the static readers. You have the static readers where you have the option of reading all the data. Then you have web and mobile based users where you can use your mobile application or your web browser for connecting and visualizing your dashboard. So all of this can be connected directly from your either from the in-memory solution. So since the data engine uses a lot of disk storage as well as RAM and cache memory, uh, let me tell you that it is not just confined with the quantity of memory on your system, and it is not really essential that the entire data set should be loaded into the memory to attain its performance objectives. So like understand like what happens when a user opens a view in a client device. So when a user opens a view or a dashboard, user actually begins a session on the Tableau server, and then the application server thread begins and verifies the permission there. There are security protocols defined for a particular user, and the user can then have the access to the view or the dashboard created by Tableau. And this is how the Tableau architecture works in order to connect to your data source and to analyze it and finally provide you with a visual.